Exam tip suggestion for you. Dear NPTEL learners, most of the questions come from assignments. In spite of your busy work, please revise once after watching the video to get better score.
Hello viewers, in this video we will see the solution to assignment 1 for the course Introduction to Internet of Things. The solution for this first question, IoT stands for. So IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT stands for Internet of Things. So answer is Internet of Things. Answer is option C. Option C. Second question, which of the following technologies have unified and has resulted in the evolution of IoT? In the evolution of IoT. The answer for this is unification of technologies such as low power embedded systems, low power embedded systems, cloud computing, big data, machine learning and networking. So the answer here is option D. Option D, none of this. They have given here high power embedded system, whereas the answer here is low power, and then they have given supercomputing is not there, and engine technology is not there. Only none of this, option D. Third question, which of the following are the enablers of IoT? Enablers of IoT. You will see the answer. Some areas identified as IoT enablers are RFID, nanotechnology, sensors, smart networks. So the answer for this is RFID, nanotechnology, sensors, all of this, option D. Fourth question, which of the following is not a function of an IoT gateway? Which of the following is not a function of an IoT gateway? We will see the solution for this one. So part B, slide, you can go for slide 3. So IoT gateway. So a router connecting the IoT LAN to a WAN. A router connecting the IoT WAN to a WAN to the internet can implement several LAN and WAN, forwards packets between LAN and WAN on the IP layer. So answer here is option D. Option D. So connects, which is not a function. So connects the IoT LAN to WAN is a function, can implement several LAN and WAN is also a function. Both of these is also a function. So answer is option D. Fifth question, state whether the following statement is true or false. The ITU vision is approaching reality as the present day network devices have outnumbered humans on earth. So this is, so you can see here the solution. The ITU vision is approaching reality as the present day networked devices have outnumbered humans on earth. Yes, the answer is the fifth one. The answer is true. Answer is true. Option A. Sixth one, in multi-homing, a network slash a node slash network is connected to multiple networks for improved reliability. For improved reliability. So sixth one, you can see the solution for this. So a node network connected to multiple networks for improved reliability, improved multi-homing. Okay, that the answer is sixth one. The answer is option A, true. Option A, true. Seventh question, which of the following are the features of an IoT gateway? A router connecting IoT LAN and WAN to internet can implement several LAN and WAN, forwards packets between LAN and WAN, all of this. Just now we saw in the this question, fourth question. So all of this, option is all of this. Option is all of this. So a router connecting the IoT LAN to a WAN to the internet can implement several LAN and WAN, forwards packets between LAN and WAN on the IP layer. So that is all of this. Answer is all of this. Option D. State true or false. IoT proxy performs active application layer functions between IoT nodes and other entities. We'll see the answer. Proxy. IoT proxy performs active application layer functions between IoT nodes and other entities. So the answer is option A, true. Option A, true. Eighth one, option A, true. Ninth one, the gateway has dash address prefix which can be used to identify them globally. Ninth question. Ninth question. Ninth question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here the gateway has a unique network prefix which can be used to identify them globally. So the answer is option B, unique. 10th question, the IPv4 notation uses dash number of bits to represent an address. We can see the answer. IPv4. So length of bits for IPv4 is 32, and as well as we can see for IPv4 is 32 bits, option B. The destination address field in the IPv4 header is of dash bits in length. So you can see here the destination address is 32 bit. Option A. We can sense temperature using an actuator, a transducer, a processor, or none of this. So the answer for this is, you can see here, sensor versus transducer. The word transducer, you can see here, is a collective term for both sensors as well as actuators. So the option is answer B, transducer. State true or false. A sensor is not only sensitive to the measured property, but it also influences the measured property. It is not going to influence the measured property. So the answer is option B, false, that we will see here. So that we'll see here. Slide 32, 14. See, it does not, sensor, it does not influence, the measured property. It does not, this does not influence the measured property. So answer is false. It does not, but here it is mentioned it influences. Next, 14th question. Based on the output, sensors are classified as. We'll see the answer here. Sensor classification. So sensor classes based on output, analog and digital. So based on the output, sensors are classified as analog and digital. Option B. 15th question, last question. What is the full form of SMP in the context of IoT actuators? We'll see that one. SMP. So SMP stands for shape memory polymer. SMP is shape memory polymers. So you can see the answer here. Shape master is there, not memory is there. Switch mode is there. Sensor making polymer. None of this. Answer is none of this. Submit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Answered. Thank you.